Day 2 of the Social Welfare Department's cash aid distribution was again marred by confusion. Owner-operators of tricycles queued up even after the DSWD announced that only drivers are eligible for aid. Proxies have also been barred from claiming the 5,000 peso payout, and there were also complaints of processing fee charges. Next week, it's the turn of other transport workers to receive 5,000 pesos from the DSWD. After tricycle drivers, aid will be handed out to jeepneys and TNVS drivers and motorcycle taxi and delivery riders.
Meron pa pong ibang local government unit, may mga stamp pa raw na ibinibigay. Kaya po nakarating naman po yan sa ating Secretary Gatchalian at nilinaw niya po sa kanyang blog na wala pong ibang kailangan kundi yun lang pong lisensya. Kaya nga po sabi ko, pato ba naman yan, pagkakapirahan na naman. No?
Wala naman kami nakikitang delay. Sa amin lang talaga, yung pondo nandyan na, lilikumin na namin yung malistahan. Tinatapos lang talaga namin yung NCR kasi sila nga tulad na sabi ko, 139,000 sila. Kaya kailangan na tutukan lahat ng super na nangangailangan ng tulong, walang maiwanan. Tutulungan at tutulungan ho kayo. Antabayanan nyo.